Yeah. Thanks.
So today we'll be starting with the Hana GL. Okay.
We're starting with GL or vendor?
I said GL.
GL.
Yes.
Okay. Do you mind if we record?
I'm already recording the session. You will get a
Thank you.
recording. Don't worry.
Thank you.
I'll just share the screen.
Okay. So we're just gonna go to the GL company code.
The company code
Uh,
you want me to show you again.
no,
It's really simply wasting of time. That is why.
in HANA it will be the same.
Hana it is same. I'll show you the difference.
Okay.
Okay. So let me share the screen first. And okay. First word. Okay. Can you see my word file?
Yes.
So first, what I'll be showing you is the GL, right?
Okay.
The ledger. Okay.
Okay.
So in general ledger, you will find that cost element which was previously the part of controlling is now merged with general ledger. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So let me show you the general ledger. So I'll be using this company code /NOBY6 to see the global structure.
I don't see the other screen. I don't know
Or you
if you
haven't
have
seen
to.
the screen. Uh, now can you see the screen?
Yes, I can.
/NOBY6. Somebody has locked the screen. Let me open it first.
Okay.
/NSN12. This guy is blocking the screen. Search. So this guy has opened so many screens which I need to delete. But in real life, you do not delete like this, right?
Yeah.
Because this is a public server, you are practicing here. You don't know the which person is on the other side, right?
Yeah.
So in real life, when you will be working, you will able to see which person is using it by the code, and then you just request that person how long he will take to carry on with this screen, or can you just give me some time, otherwise it creates a bad impression in organization, right? So
Yeah.
we are on OBY6. This is the global structure screen. Here I will give my company code. You know how to create the company code. It has been previously created, Bajaj Auto Limited. This is an Indian company that manufactures two-wheelers in India. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the structure. Now to create GL/NFS00 is
Zero
the
zero.
transaction code. Okay.
Same in
Now,
HANA.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Same is Hana, only you see that ECC, the cost element path was here, which is missing. Can you see?
Yeah.
In Hana, the cost element tab is not available here. Now what I will do, I will change my company code. No problem. I will click here. This is the chart of accounts, BACH, the company on which I am working. And you can see a lot of GLs have been created, right?
Yep.
So what we'll do, we'll create another one. Suppose we'll create a telephone expenses or mobile expenses. Some company pays bill for their mobile to their employees. So I will
Yeah.
create a account called mobile expenses. So you can see this is the option to create.
Mm-hmm.
So in the account group, you will find asset, expenses, liabilities, and revenue. We will
Yep.
take the expenses, and in oh, first you have to take the GL account. See, there are a lot of changes. You will not find all these things in ECC,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is non-operating expenses income. That means any income or any expenses you are incurring which is not related to your operating costs. Like when you manufacture bikes, you need some expenses and you'll also generate income. If if you are generating that income or incurring the expenses which is not related to your production, it is non-operating expenses or income. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it will be primary cost and revenue. And mobile
Mm.
expenses falls under this category, primary cost and revenue.
Yeah. So primary cost will be your
1 second,
direct cost.
it is being grayed out actually. 1 second, let me cancel this. Do you want to? No. Okay, so I will have to take the exact GL number. So here salary account is 201, replacement purchase 205. Okay, the maximum is taken up to 205. So I have to take 206. Okay, and then I'll click on create. Now you see it's it's no more grayed out. So as usual, I'll take this primary cost and revenue. I will take the account group expenses, and there I'll take mobile expenses. Mobile expenses. Mobile expenses account. Right? Then you go to
Okay.
control data. As usual, you take the currency, right? And then if you slowly go down, you will find the change. Okay, open item management is not applicable here. Short key, how we're going to short it? You can short it on the basis of the posting date, or right? Is it okay? Hello.
Posting date. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, are you able to understand shorting key? How we're going to short your entry on the basis of posting date? Okay.
Yep. So that's fine.
Okay,
Sorting.
uh, and then you find here that with the GL the cost element is over here now. Okay, here is the cost element. Now you have to select the cost element category.
Yeah.
Primary cost and reducing revenue. This number one is applicable here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then you go to the next tab,
Yep.
create bank interest. You'll find the field status group. Now in field status group you select the cost account G004, right?
Mm-hmm.
Keyword translation, you can select English, whatever in language. So these are not of much importance. Till create bank interest, it's okay. Now you save it. Got it? Now you can understand why
Got
the
it.
cost element is now clear.
Yep.
Okay, now
Very.
let me come out of the screen and now you want an end level screen, easy access screen now. Okay, now here you will see
Mm-hmm.
accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. So here you make the document entries in GL, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to see it, create the master records for GL, here it is, FS00, right? You click on
Yep.
FS00, you will land up in the screen. Everything is same here. But if you go to what is called, if I close this, if I close all this, and then I go to controlling and go to cost element, and then you go to master data, cost element, individual processing. If I click on, see, the cost element transaction code is also FS00. So that is not available anymore. Click here, you will land up in the same screen because now cost element is a part of GL. It has been masked with GL. Clear?
Let's see.
Just mute this,
Yep.
mute yourself, please.
Okay.
Okay. So now, if you want to make document entry, you have created the GL. Now let me show you how to create the entry. Go to General Ledger, document entry. You can use FB50. Earlier we used to use F-02, but FB50, if you is now a lot of options are there, but FB50 is acceptable. We normally use in FB50. If you click on FB50, you will get all in one shot, in one screen, right? FB50. FB50 means you are creating a normal GL account, right? So what is the document date? F4. Let the calendar come.
So at this stage, we're not gonna assign the GL to text types, eh? We just assume it's the same way.
Yeah, only cost element got merged.
Okay.
So F4 is the calendar. We take the date, today's date. Okay. You can see the company code here. If you want to change the company code, here is the option to switch company code on the screen. Now, in one shot, you can see now whom I'm going to debit, the mobile expenses account, right?
Expense account.
So this is mobile expenses account. It's a debit. How much you're paying? 5,000. Okay. Text, payment of mobile bill. Payment of mobile bill. Then you move on. You have to give the cost center. You know how to create cost center?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm using the finance department as the cost center here. So, and now who am I going to debit? The bank account. To the bank, I'm paying this.
It's not the vendor directly. It's a,
Don't take the, you don't have to write. It's
the
a debit. Automatically it's credit. And here you give the asterisk mark.
the
And
credit goes to the vendor.
no, no, this is a normal GL account I'm posting, mobile expenses. This is
So
our normal GL posting.
you're posting from the bank.
There is no PO here involved. Okay, and then you enter. What it is saying? Value field. Because I'm paying through bank, I have to Give the date of value field F4, F2. Enter. If everything is okay, then it will turn into green. Green. Okay, this color will change to green. Debit and credit. Now what you have to do? You go to document and you simulate it, and then you find 4050 normal mobile account to bank account. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you do? You post it. So you see document number 11 has been posted. Clear?
Correct.
Now if I want to see what has we have entered in document 11, what is the transaction code? /n FB03. Enter. See, by default document number 11 is showing. Now what you have to do? You have to click on continue. Now you can see the entry has been passed. 4050, item number 1, item number 2, mobile expenses bank account, document number, profit center, GL, cost center, all has come. This is called the entry view. What you have entered. If you click on mobile expenses, you can see what entry you have passed. This is called the entry view. If you want to see the general ledger view, here is the option. You click on general ledger view, you will able to see the general ledger view, where you find the fiscal year and the period. Now it's the month of August. We are now in 8th. To calculate from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So the period is 8. So this is called the general ledger view, or this is called the entry view. Now if you want to see the header, this is the header. If you want to see the header of this entry, you can see here header. So this is the reference key. How the reference key is calculated? See, the reference key is calculated. You will find number 11 is the document number, BA0 is the company code, and year 2023. This is called reference key for this entry. 11 is the document number, BA01 is the company code, and 2023 is the year, financial year. Clear? Hope it is clear to you.
Yes, and then any attachment?
Any? Hello?
Attachment. Do you
Attachment.
have
What
that
attachment
as
you want
well
to
in
see?
HANA?
Huh? What
Supporting
attachment you are talking
document,
about? What attachment?
a PDF.
Huh?
If I want to attach a PDF
If you want to
in
attach
the
what?
ledger, in this supporting document for that posting.
This is the posting. What document you want to attach? You want to take it to the Excel
Like if
sheet.
but no, if I want to upload any supporting document into this transaction.
What you want to upload? Here, if you want to upload, you'll have to find the options here. If it is not available there, you cannot upload anything. You can take a printout of this. You
Okay.
can take the printout of this. You can list
Yeah.
the output Excel in place. You can make
Okay.
the Excel in place.
No,
We will do it.
we sometimes we sometimes upload what do you call journal, an Excel journal.
You want to
If maybe
upload
it's
what
a
you want to upload the scan copy of the manual entry.
I want to upload a supporting document for the
So
journal
if
that
you
has
if you
been
want to
posted.
upload a supporting document, if you want, right? Here you
Hmm.
don't have the
I know
options.
ECC had.
No, here you don't have
Okay.
that option for supporting document. You cannot have the any option
Okay.
supporting document. Here is no option is there to have a supporting document here. This is the final entry. You don't have the option for any supplement document in supporting document here.
Okay.
You will not find anything here. Okay. Are you doing in your company? You are uploading supporting document.
Yes, for any manual journals
Your
which
voice
have
is low.
been
Can you
posted,
be louder, please?
I'm saying we do have to attach supporting documents
No, no, no. Here nothing
for
is attaching.
month-end journals.
Here is no attaching option. Otherwise, you can see the attaching option. You will not find any attaching option.
Yeah.
This is the journal entry.
Okay.
You take a printout of this entry, and then you can you can put the manual one, and you can. But nobody is going to attach anything. You can take a printout and you can attach in a hard copy. You can keep it in a hard copy, but there is no option for attachment here. If you need to attach, then you have to speak with the programmer if they are able to program it so that you can option. You take a scan, you attach the thing. Otherwise, there is no attaching
Okay.
options available here. This is clear to you what I have done
Okay,
just
no
now?
problem. Yep.
Huh? Okay. Now,
Yes.
if you want to see the entry, the report, FBL 3N. So by default 206 has come. If you want to execute, you will able to see that mobile expenses amount has been billed. Right? Can you see?
Correct. Can see?
You can see the account master data. You can see the what is the account master data available here. All options are available here. Account master data. Okay. If
Okay.
you display check information, no check information exists. Set filter, save layout. You can see the layout to set. So a lot of options you have to need to practice. You have to check each and every one. Okay. And
Okay.
this is how the report is shown. If you want to see the bank account, you can make it 1 to 206. We'll take the whole range, execute. You can see the bank account and how much we paid, 5,000 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Here is the 5,000 rupees we paid for the mobile bill. If you go down, you will be able to see the mobile bill account also. So this is the change that has happened in GL. You can go and practice, make some entries. Okay.
Okay. You still didn't give me the access.
Mobile expenses, this one.
Yeah. Yeah, are you gonna give me access to this system?
1 second. 1 minute.